What is up, guys? It's Lutsky. Got myself a new project here. It's a 79 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, so an SJ. In halfway decent condition, you know, not too much major rust, or if there is rust, it's doable. But ended up going down this past weekend, going down to Pueblo, so a few hours away, found one for sale. Guy daily drove it, so runs and drives with a 360 automatic. He looks like he put a 4-ish inch lift on there, and then some 33 Duratrax. And like I said, he was daily driving it, so a few things done to the 360 to keep it running, but I'm going to revamp the entire thing, see if I can get a little bit more out of it. But yeah, guys, so realistically, it's in pretty decent condition. No frame damage by any means whatsoever. Grill's pretty good condition. You know, major rust spots is something like this that's right here, which isn't bad at all. That bottom panel's rusted out, but that's super easy fix for me to do. The back, same concept. It's all wheel well stuff. Has some things kind of rusted out. So to give you an idea, I'll show you the interior first before I get to talking. You know, the original leather seats. Oops, sorry, that sunlight is bright today. Leather seats, has a center console, it's in the back, has a back seat, tore it out. Just finished tearing out the carpet and the back panels and stuff. Headliner, looks like he tore most of it out, and then he had a kid who put handprints all over, so maybe possessed. You know, typical stuff that you're expecting to see from, you know, a project car. And the door shut straight. Super dope. But yeah, guys, so my kind of plan for it is I'm gonna do body work last, but I want to get it painted blue, fix all these panels. I am gonna probably keep it at the same height, just to do new springs, maybe like BDS springs that are a little bit nicer, some new shocks and stuff. Or rather, sorry, not BDS. I actually long-term want to 4-link it and put coils underneath it. So I was kind of thinking that I would do some like JL control arms and JL springs, since I have them all over the shop and all over the house and such. And super easy to do. It's already a boxed frame, so it'd be easy to put the brackets in and the axles. So do that, keep it around this same height. Replace the tires with some 35-inch ridge grapplers, some 17-inch method wheels, redo the entire interior. Gonna put new seats in the front, kind of in a darker leather, so still like a brown, but a darker brown, so that way it kind of goes with the match of my truck kind of feel. Gonna do a dark maroon headliner, and this is kind of easy stuff to work around, I hope. Just gonna pull it off. I'm gonna be doing everything myself, so I'm gonna try and not do anything professionally to see, you know, what my capabilities are, but to give you more of a feel of, hey, y'all can do this at home kind of idea, and not just blow copious amounts of money at it and try to keep it on a budget. Just building something that's cool, fun to drive, put a snowboard rack on it, go to the mountains for the day, go grocery shopping, whatever. You know, if I want to wheel it, cool. Not really my interest for this. But like I said, coil springs, 35s, wheels, build up the axles. One thing, so like just give you an idea, there is rust right here, and pretty gnarly in this spot, pretty gnarly in that spot, which is totally fine to get what I want to go for. And I could even go lower if I wanted with the 35s in the body. Is if I bring it down lower, you know, I can trim, bring it down to this point right here, cut this off. Then on the bottom, all the way across here, I'm probably gonna do a 2x3 piece of 1/4 inch thick, and then run it to the frame so it's a slider. Bend some tube, put some steel steps on the outside, weld those on. Same concept, I can just create a new body line that goes down, and then patch the little bit that's left over, or kind of whatever I decide to go for. But yeah, so that'd be super fun. And like I said, just kind of build up the 360. I don't need to swap it. Runs, drives perfectly fine the way it is. Interior, once I got that folding seat out, it's got a lot of space back here. It's got a lot of space in these fender wells. So I kind of had the idea of, I don't know, maybe I'll create a steel piece that goes over, dynamat all along the insides, insulate everything as much as I can, Gonna bed line the floorboard and everything. Since back here it's not too bad, but the front it's kind of got some spots and I gotta patch up some holes in the floor. But I can create a piece that goes right here, put a couple 6x9 speakers in the back here, fix the speakers in the front door, maybe fit something a little bit bigger, new head unit, like I said, new headliner, do new front seats, and then I gotta kind of decide what I want to do with the back seats, because the back seat honestly is in great condition. It's just the new seats are not going to match it. I can get new seats that match it, but I kind of want to go for that darker look just because I like that leather. And like I said, I have it in the truck and I have the Bronco on order with that as well. So I kind of want to get all that stuff to match because, you know, I'm bougie like that. But yeah, dude, super excited about this. It's an awesome condition. I want to keep it clean, want to keep it functional. Just kind of make it a little bit more fun, daily driving, go to the mountains, throw a snowboard, go grocery shopping, you know, what it was designed to be back in the day. But yeah, guys, if you have one of these guys, post it down below with any tips and tricks that you may know of. I'm going to try and do as many updates as I can on this just because I'm actually taking a project from start to finish again. And love keeping track of that stuff because I look back at it a few years later and I know it helps some of you guys. Otherwise, you know, the videos may be a comedy to you because you're like, what the hell is this kid doing? Dope. Worth it. But yeah, y'all, if you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, post it down below. All right, see you next video.